Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are students from program BENC and our course, which is Microprocessor Technology BENC2423. We would like to present our project, which is body temperature scanner. Before we start, I would like to introduce our project members. Firstly is Muhammad Faik DANISH bin SHAMRIS. Second is AHMAD IZANZIKRY bin IZHAM. Third is NURUL FADHILAH BINTI JAMALUDIN. Fourth is NURUL NAJWA binti ZAHRUL NIZAM. And finally AHMAD MIRZA bin JASNI. Introduction. For this project, we are required to develop a microprocessor-based system using ARM processor. We have to find a suitable system to prevent the spread of COVID-19 due to this pandemic. Therefore, we have chosen a title of our project, which is body temperature scanning. The purpose of this project is used to measure surface skin temperature without being physically close to the person being evaluated. So, this project can identify whether a person has a high or low body temperature. Next, we will look at the benefit of the body temperature scanner. Firstly, the body temperature scanner can detect a high body temperature in the real time. For example, our project can detect a high body temperature in less than 5 seconds. This gives a business real-time information on who is entering their office, construction site, and warehouse. As we know, a high body temperature or fever is one of the main symptoms of the COVID-19. Therefore, business can detect and stop infected person entering their premise, helping to stop the spread of the virus. The second point is safe and truly contactless. Our project does not involve any of the contact. Thirdly, it can protect staff, visitors, and suppliers. For many businesses, protecting their staff is the number one priority when considering what post-lockdown phase will look like. Incorporating temperature scanning technology is an essential way to help protect anyone who is entering the premise. It is also a great way to help boost staff morale and productivity. If staff members are not worried whether the person next to them has symptoms of COVID-19, they will be more happy. The third point is automated and easy use technology. The temperature scanner is usually immobilized and can be carried easily to anywhere. So this means this project is mobile. The fourth point is reassuring customer and improving public perception. People agree that after lockdown, restrictions are lifted and business start to reopen. Public perception and fear will live for a long time after the virus. If your business relies on customer visiting on brick and mortar store, then incorporating temperature scanner into your post-COVID-19 project could have massive impact. The temperature scanner has technology can be made easily visible to anyone entering. This highlights your effort to protect their well-being and give customers peace of mind. Next, we will be looking at the flow chart. Based on the flow chart shown in the figure, the system will start the system and collect the information from the temperature scanner to read the body temperature. Then, if the body temperature is normal, which is less than 37.5 Celsius, the temperature will be displayed on the LCD. Then after 5 seconds, the LCD will be turned off. When the body temperature is high, which is more than 37.5 Celsius, the buzzer will produce a sound beeping and the LCD will display the temperature reading for 5 seconds, and after that, it will be turned off. Then the system will look back to the input for the detecting purpose. Project design. As we know, in designing the circuit of this project, will be involved the LM35, the LCD, and the buzzer. All of these components will be connected to the LPC1768.
The program started with the declaration of the register in order to set an input or output. Then, for looping sensor, the sensor will turn on and start to detect the temperature. The temperature will display on the LCD. Okay, next. After that, for looping delay 1, if the temperature is normal, which is below than 37.5 degrees Celsius, the temperature will display on LCD for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, it will be turned off automatically. For looping else, if the temperature is above 37.5 degrees Celsius, it means the temperature is high and the buzzer will be beeping. Then, for looping delay 2, if the temperature is high, which is above 37.5 degrees Celsius, the LCD also displays the temperature reading. After 5 seconds, the buzzer and LCD will turn off. Okay, firstly, RO has been declared with the address FIO0 sets and it has been registered. R1 has been declared as FIO0 clear. R2 has been declared and registered as FIO0 pin. R3 has been declared as FIO-DIR. R4 is an input, so we declare with sensor, and R5 and R6 is output, so R5 we declare as a buzzer, then R6 we declare as a LCD. So this is the output simulation. For R4 and R8, masking temperature is applied. R6 and R8 will show the temperature on LCD. So we can see this is the output simulation. Okay, next. R9 will delay by 5 seconds. R6 and R1 will off the LCD after 5 seconds. So we can see this is the output simulation. R5 has set the buzzer to set FIO0 sets, and the buzzer will produce a sound when the temperature is high. After 5 seconds, R5 and R1 will off the buzzer, and R6 and R1 will off the LCD. So this is the output simulation.
The body temperature scanning is one of the ways to prevent the spread of COVID-19 case from getting more worse. With this body temperature scanner, people can be scanned and personnel can be notified immediately of abnormal temperature, eradicating the threat of sick people in the surrounding. Also, the human-to-human contact is eliminated completely by simply walking up to the device and getting temperature read by the body temperature scanner.
We use visual to run the program, so this is video result simulation.